Hello students, it has been a long time that I could not post any video. So again, Educators is back with their first video after such a long time on the basis of chapter. We will move forward. Today I have taken a chapter of class 12 and nutrition of course, and we are actually moving uh, according to the syllabus. We will move, and according to the chapter, part wise, section wise, we will move slowly. So today I am here with a video on utilization of food by the body, digestive system, the introduction of digestive system, which is the first chapter according to the syllabus of HS. So I will be moving forward chapter wise. You can get the whole chapter, description of the whole chapter, discussion on the whole chapter through this videos. So welcome to Educators, myself Mandishta Chatterjee, and as I told that after many days, like due to some personal reason, I could not post any video. After many days again we have started putting up videos. This will be the first video after such a long time. Let us move forward to the topic, today's topic, that is the digestive system, the introduction to digestive system. And over here we can see that the definition of digestive system I've not put, because more or less we can get to that definitions with different approach. First, we must know what is this gastroenterology mean. The term gastroenterology mean. So whenever it is something, we know that it is logy. The logy is mentioned, then it is a study. Okay, so it is a study. So gastroenterology is also a study of the structure, the function, the diagnosis and treatment of disease related to stomach and intestine, as I have shown over here. So it is a study of the it is a study of the structure, function, diagnosis and treatment related to disease which takes place or which occur in the gastric area or the stomach and the small intestine. So this is very important term when we are starting the digestive system, because many people, they go to the gastroenterologist, who is a specialized person or a specialized doctor related to this field. And whenever we are saying that it is a gastroenterology, that means it is something related or study related to the stomach and the intestine. So now let us move forward. So the main functions include the ingestion, the digestion, the absorption and the excretion. Okay. So now when we talk about ingestion, that means when we are ingesting something or putting inside something. Okay. Digestion, before digestion there are two more steps which includes the secretion and the mixing and the propulsion. Okay. So secretion means whenever you also know that suppose you are very hungry and you have taken some food, or before taking some food we start salivating. When we are hungry and we see food in front of us, we start salivating. So that saliva is coming from where? It is coming from the salivary gland. So it is the secretion that takes place in our body. Like saliva, along with that saliva there are many other enzymes as well, which comes out or which is secreted from our body, from the different parts of our body. So whenever we are ingesting something or we are seeing something, food especially, there is some secretion, and when secretion is there, there will be mixing and propulsion in our mouth or in ourself, and then the process of digestion can take place, because digestion requires proper mechanical uh, you know interventions as well as the chemical intervention. So a mixture of both mechanical and chemical can lead to the digestion process. After the digestion takes place, there is absorption, and definitely after absorption we can have the excretion or defecation, as we can say. Now when we are actually absorption taking place, what is the main process of absorption? Where we are getting the nutrients, or where we are trying to absorb the nutrients in our body, the main role of the or the main cause of the digestion process. Now let us move forward to the process of digestion and the different parts of the human digestive system. But before that, let me go through, or let me discuss the definition of digestion. That is, it is a process of converting complex food molecules into simpler forms, that is in the easily absorbable form and assimilable form, where with the help of enzyme, well, food passes through different parts of the digestive system. So that means there are some parts of the digestive system, or the digestive system consists of some part through which the food is moving, and the complex food is transferred or converted into simpler structure, simpler forms, which helps in the absorption of the same and giving the the result, the resultant energy that is required for the body. Now, what does the digestive system consist of? The digestive system consists of the digestive canal or the alimentary canal, and also some glands or the digestive glands, which are very, very important for our body or for the digestive system. Now coming to this human digestive system, we have the liver. We'll start with the mouth. Actually, the digestive system or the alimentary canal starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. So it starts with the mouth in the esophagus, the stomach, the pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, duodenum, gallbladder, and the liver. Over here, the liver, the pancreas, and the salivary glands that we have are the digestive gland. And other than that, the rest of the full system is the digestive system, or the comes under the alimentary canal. So it's a complete single canal which is connected from the mouth to the anus of somebody's body. Now coming to the process of digestion, the digestion process starts from the mouth. As I said, it helps in the mechanical digestion. Now when we call about the mechanical digestion, what does it mean? Mechanical digestion means we are crushing with the help of our teeth. We are there, the saliva gets secreted, and with the help of our tongue we are trying to make a bolus, and that is propelled, or propulsion takes place. It moves into the esophagus. Esophagus is just a canal which helps to pass the moist food to the stomach. Then the stomach squeezes and contracts it with the help of the acid which is present. Then it moves to the small intestine. That maximum digestion takes place over here. Duodenum, jejunum, ileum, and it moves to the villi or to the blood. And large intestine helps in absorbing the materials which are not digested, and they are stored, and solid waste is formed, and until it leaves the body through the anus. So this is the process of digestion, as we all know, and it consists of this digestive system and the digestive glands. Let us move forward to the next part, that is the layers of the GI tract, which is another part, important part of the digestive system. Now, layers of the GI tract means the whole is the gastrointestinal tract, and the gastrointestinal tract is covered by four layers, which is the mucosa, the submucosa, the muscularis, and the serosa. Okay, so mucosa is the innermost layer, then the submucosa, then the muscularis. Muscularis is again divided into two parts. One is the inner layer and the outer layer, and the serosa. Now, mucosa is the innermost layer. It is absorptive, and we can know that goblet cells are present in the mucosa. It helps in the absorption, and it has some layer of epithelium. It has some layer of connective tissue, which is known as the lamina propria, and also a smooth muscle layer is also present in the mucosa. It helps in the secretion of the mucus. Submucosa is the layer which covers the mucosa. It is also a thick vascular layer and contains gland and nerve plexuses, which help in the nervous coordination of the uh, you can say the GI tract. Muscularis helps in the peristaltic movement. It is the muscularis of the mouth, pharynx, and esophagus. They help in the help in this swallowing process, voluntary swallowing process, because of the skeletal muscle that is present. So mouth, esophagus, they have the skeletal muscle, where the rest of the muscularis have the smooth muscle, and it also helps. That's why it can help in the peristaltic movement of this part. Now, outer layer or the last layer, we can say it's a complete layer and a protective wall, definitely, as well as it has the connective tissue covered with squamous epithelium. So these are the four layers of the GI tract: the mucosa, the submucosa, the muscularis, and the serosa. So I hope these basics are clear to you all, and next day again we will move with the chapter. Our next topic will be definitely the digestive canal, the parts of the digestive canal in detail. So I hope you understood the chapter, this part. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, educators, and put the bell icon for more notifications on the updates. I hope you all will like the comeback of educators. If you have anything to mention, please do comment in the comment box. That's all for today. Thank you so much.